It's another day, another morning. Van building is on hold because we've got a lot of noise going on at the household today, because look at this. Bob's having some work done. This is all part of the new plan to enable my mum to get out of the house more. So what we're doing is having some scaffolding put up so that we can raise the roof and do some alterations to one of the rooms inside the house. We're going to go off and film Waffle on a Wednesday, aren't we?
Yeah, because today's Wednesday.
Yeah.
And I've had a really horrible morning. I felt really ill because I've been trying to give up coffee. Big mistake.
Well, it's just the fact that Mel decided to do it cold turkey and not gradually wean himself off coffee. So we'll just do it another day, just slowly.
Still a bit dizzy now.
Yeah. But we're going to go off and find a quiet location to film Waffle on a Wednesday, and this is going to be a behind the scenes video to show you what Mel has to do to get you your Waffle on a Wednesday video. It's going to be an interesting video, I think. Showing behind the scenes of how you do a Waffle on a Wednesday.
Oh, you're filming it?
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. I think it's a good idea. But I've got to go walk down the road to get Monte's bed, because of the scaffolders, I decided it might be a good idea to move the van, just in case some random pole decides to slip in the wind and go through a window of the van. So it's parked way down the other end of the street. So I'm going to go and get Monte's bed out of that van, pop it in here so that Monte can have somewhere to go, and then we are headed off to our secret location for filming Waffle on a Wednesday. We're here in your favourite spot. Yeah. So we've arrived in our secret location. But take a look behind me. You've got the beautiful Cotswold houses. You've got the van. And then you've got all of this beautiful countryside. So Monte is going to take me for a quick walk while Mel sets up, and then I'll show you a sneak peek of how Mel sets up for his Waffle on a Wednesday, because you guys want to see that, right? Let's go. It's a cold day, but it's a beautiful day. I always love coming up here to gather my thoughts, have a bit of fresh air, and yeah, enjoy what nature has to offer. setting up. He's got his laptop, his Sony ZV-E10, got his new fancy lights which are brilliant. They're on a telescopic pole, so he can have one there. And where do you normally have the other one, babe? Oh, here. There you go. So what do you guys think of the new lighting setup? I think it's really good now. Mel's got it down. 10 out of 10 for your lighting now, my love.
Thank you very much.
I'm going to get chilled up in the bed area, get him to set up on his own so I'm not interfering, and you guys can tag along and watch.
Hello and welcome back to another video. Thank you very much for clicking on today's thumbnail. It is a little bit clickbaity, but there is a reason behind that which I will explain later on in this video. Bang, I'm good. For those of you that are new here, my name's Mel and I live full-time in this Mercedes Sprinter camper van, and occasionally I like to go metal detecting and treasure hunting, so if that's something that interests you, then please do consider subscribing to my channel.
Well, there you have it. That is how Mel films Waffle on a Wednesday, and he's just finished it off by having a quick wee before we go.
I don't want that.
So we're ready to get back in the van and get back to Bob's driveway. All in a day's work. Hey, Monte. Yeah. Take care, guys. See you soon. Bye.